Pharmeasy Honest review. Watch before using. Pharmeasy is a prominent online healthcare platform offering services such as medicine delivery, healthcare products, and diagnostic test bookings. Established in 2015, it has rapidly expanded, aiming to provide convenient and affordable healthcare solutions. And here are the pros and the cons about this platform. The platform boasts a straightforward website and mobile application, facilitating easy navigation and order placement. And also, Pharmeasy offers a wide array of healthcare products, including precaution and over-the-counter medications, wellness items, and medical equipment. And also, users can book diagnostic tests with home sample collection, enhancing convenience. And also, this platform also frequently provide discounts, making healthcare more affordable for many users. And here's the downside about the platform. Some customers have reported delay in receiving their order, which can be concerning when timely medication is essential. And also, there are instances where users have faced difficulties reaching customer support or resolving issue promptly. And also, a few users have experienced order cancellation due to stock unavailability even after payment completion. And if you want more feedback about if you want more customer feedback, you can simply go to glassdoor.co.in for more customer feedback about this platform. And here's the final verdict. Pharmeasy has positioned itself as a convenient solution for accessing healthcare products and service online in all over the world. While many users appreciate the platform, ease of use and discounts issues like delivery delay and customer service challenges and have been reported. Prospective users should weigh these factors and consider personal experience when deciding to utilize Pharmeasy services.